Freshman, sophomore, and a little bit junior in high school, you're thinking, oh gosh, how does getting into college work?
From a parent standpoint, one of the most daunting prospects of the college education is paying for the college education.
The scariest part of getting ready to apply to college is showing them my entire life, having them judge me.
What I've seen in my private practice, especially among college-bound teens, is a lot of confusion, anxiety, and pressure, especially with the high achievers. They just see the whole process as so overwhelming.
GATE had recommended that we apply to 10 to 12 colleges. So far we've heard from 7 of the colleges, and all 7 have accepted her.
The video tutorials for me was a great thing to have. It was just having like that one-on-one experience.
It's drudgery for most of these kids to prepare for these exams. This is completely a different way, an innovative way of studying. It's like a game.
Test prep. Yeah, I mean, thinking about it stresses me out because of the long process that it takes to really feel confident about taking those tests.
For my son to have complete access to not only the information he needed, but to organize his thinking and to know every move that he needed to make from this point of access blew me away.
I was just worried about getting into schools and where I was going to go. After all my hard work and studying and stuff like that, I got into 13 schools.
With searchable categories they control, our Gateway to College admissions support helps students sort, sift, and separate best fit colleges into lists they can then easily share on social media.
I recommend GATE because getting the advice that you need by talking to people who really know what they're talking about and using those resources, you just feel so confident.
I got organized, I learned what to do and what not to do, so then I just stuck with it, applied to my #1 choice schools, and I got in.
He was getting C's and D's to straight A's, and now this process is in anyone's hands.
The scariest part of getting into college for me was probably having to complete all of these essays. By using GATE, I was able to make myself stand out in the college application process. I think GATE was really helpful in that respect.
Grades, applications, testing, essays. GATE, GATE, your online admissions tool for success.
Pamela has been featured on NBC, ABC, CBS, CNN, Time Magazine, The New York Times, and more.
We reverse engineered GATE to give today's teens the results they need.
Why hand your kid a dense book stuffed with facts and figures, or make them sit through some boring weekend class that doesn't fit their on-the-go lifestyle? Now you can provide them with personalized learning tailored just for them. Access GATE on any digital device, perfect for busy teens and the parents who love them. Packed with fun quizzes, videos, games, and so much more. Go to gatecollegesystem.com right now and see for yourself all that GATE has to offer.
GATE is great because it gives them a map, the steps they need to take, and all the different areas that they need to be able to focus on. And so they don't get caught up in just getting focused in on the testing or just their grades. Someone's sort of walking them through this, and they're taking ownership.
But that's not all. For a limited time, we're also including information you need now to be sure you save as much as possible on all that expensive tuition. Full financial aid video trainings on merit aid, gift aid, institutional aid, and scholarships gives you crucial information that can make all the difference between affording a great college or having to settle for less.
I was really not expecting this scholarship, and it kind of took me a minute for it to sink in. It was like, I kind of had to read the sentence like several times to make sure.
Pamela's private students have paid tens of thousands of dollars each for her expertise and guidance, but now through this incredible offer, your student can enter the GATE.
GATE really helped me kind of just explain everything to me and like take everything one step at a time, and it just seemed a lot like less complicated than I thought it would be, and had it not been for GATE, I probably would not be where I am right now.